Alright, going into my Argon Assault, I have already set it back to a point prior to adding the timelines. I have already deleted the canvas, renamed the player rig, gotten rid of any animations in this section. And so the first thing it says to do is put a empty here, rename it to master timeline. Within this, we're going to create a new timeline on the master timeline. Well, don't know why it's there, but we'll just put it in assets for now. Assets, master timeline. Drop it in there. Okay. Now back to the normal stuff. We're on timeline. I like seconds. Going to put the player rig onto, well, lock you in place. Player rig. Create animator. There we are. So if you wanted to set ourselves up and click on record. Hey, look, it's recording now. Now I feel like a fool. Well, anyway, that didn't do anything before. So I guess I have nothing to say because it's working now after I made a request for help. After a week. Just love Unity. Yay. Well, anyway, what it would do is it wouldn't start recording. Let's pretend it wouldn't start recording. It'd look like this. No matter what I do, it would just look like this. I could scroll through here. I could manually, within my rig, set a position, but recording was not possible. And look, it's able to record after. Great. Well, never mind. No clue what I did differently because, in fact, I did absolutely nothing differently. I'm on my main layout. Let's just not mess with that. The editor layout could not be fully loaded. I don't know what that means. But we seem to be recording now, so whatever.